Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening Google Flights and typing your origin and destination. Include nearby airports to increase options. Next, pick dates, either exact or open calendar view to spot the lowest fares across months. Set passengers and cabin class now so prices reflect the correct inventory. Once done, glance at the price graph and the cheapest month suggestion so you understand when rates drop, and make note of basic filters you'll apply in the next step. You refine results using stops, specific airlines, departure times, and the price slider. These cut clutter and surface true low-cost options. Then use the price graph and date grid to compare small date shifts, often moving one day saves $50, $200. Explore the map view to spot alternative airports or multi-city itineraries that lower the fare. Make sure to toggle refundable or baggage filters if you need them, because those add costs that change the best option. Once you pick a flight, inspect baggage rules, change or cancellation fees, and exact total price shown on the booking site. Click through to the airline or trusted OTA to finalize. Make sure the final price matches Google Flights. If the fare disappears or is higher, clear cookies and cache, open an incognito window, or switch currency and country settings. These steps often reveal consistent pricing. Finally, set a price alert if you're not buying immediately so you get notified of drops.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.